Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you're doing awesome today. Now today I shall be doing the camera comparison between the ASUS Zenfone 3, yes I know, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now I don't think I have made as many videos as I have made on the channel as for the Zenfone 3 here, because you lovely folks that have the Zenfone 3 really love this phone and always ask me, hey Emmanuel, compare to this, compare to that. And yes, your request has been heard. I'm making this video. Have a look at the photos and the videos.
So here, if you see the Redmi Note 5 here, it's still kind of zoomed in compared to Zenfone 3. While the Zenfone 3 is kind of bright and lets all the colors in, here Redmi Note 5 does kind of look dull in the video, but compared to Zenfone 3. I'll give you more footage for you guys to check it out. I think Zenfone 3 makes me look so outrageously brown compared to Redmi Note 5. But it does let the colors in. It looks like the chairs and stuff behind looks green, yellow, orange pops out. Here it does kind of look dull. While Zenfone 3 kind of seems more cropped in compared to Redmi Note 5. Aside from that, I think Zenfone 3 kind of blows out the sky back compared to Redmi Note 5. I think it does pick up much more detail, and yeah. As mentioned earlier, I guess Zenfone 3 is kind of cropped, and now walking towards kind of a darker area, you can see that Zenfone 3 doesn't really quite pick up my face. I'm kind of invisible, almost invisible compared to Redmi Note 5. And I think even back there with more light, I think half my face was kind of darkened out or censored out. And I won't talk much and show you guys more footage so you can judge it for yourself. So here, walking towards a much more light area, but it looks kind of cropped in. Redmi looks kind of cropped in, while the the video is much more vibrant in Zenfone 3. But as you can see, it's kind of fuzzy, or you call it noise, I guess. Even though Zenfone 3 has it, but it's much way less. Almost, if you don't pay attention to it, you don't really notice it. Well, the stability is much better here. Redmi is much more smoother to watch the video compared to Zenfone 3.
And welcome back guys. That has been the photos and the videos. A huge shout out to Taufik for shooting this, and please let me know what you think. Yes, I know, Emmanuel, give your thoughts and opinions, but yes, I shall after my internship is over, when I have a time to myself and everything. But for now, please, I really would appreciate if you let me know your thoughts about, either is it the Zenfone 3 that performed better or the Redmi Note 5. And I hope you're having a good week. I am having a headache right now, even though I am smiling, and I feel like sleeping, even though I'm like so tired. But yes, the smile and the show has to go on, and I shall catch you lovely, awesome, amazing person next time. Before you leave though, don't forget to like this video. A lot went into making it, but from Taufik especially, thumbs up to Taufik, and subscribe so you don't miss future awesome, amazing videos. And I have Patreon, which which you can use to support me if you like what I do here. It will be really nice. I shall put that link in the description as well. And yes, now you can leave now. You can go. You can get away. No, actually, no. Please watch my other videos. Please, I need that AdSense money. Okay, yes, that's basically it for this video. I shall catch you, lovely, awesome, amazing person, next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Yeah. Bye.